What's up, projectionists? Eli here. And since everyone else has been doing the workbox challenge or their work bag, I told Omar I'd do one as well. So here it is. I'm not a full-time tech anymore. I haven't been for quite a while, but I still get out and support shows. So this is the kit that I carry, or the bag. Now, mind you, I mostly only support video and projection, and this is primarily for the projection. I find that most of my clients and our customers already have the stuff they need for video in general. So I just have some of the necessities, so I don't have to ask them for it, or most likely they won't have it on show site. Once again, here we go. Label tape, whiteboard tape. This is my hit bag, right? This is common for all of us. Standard tools. I've got some Allen wrenches. I got a C-wrench. I also carry one of these fancy Panasonic laying frame tools. This lets me pull the tops of the frames off with that. I got the long soft tape. I wish I had two, but I can only fit one, so I only have one. It makes triangulation a lot harder. I tend to have to find one when I'm triangulating projection for curved screens and stuff. I've got multiple flashlights, multiple Sharpies, and a pair of pliers, and normally a multi-screwdriver, but I was using it in class, and it's MIA currently. So there's that. I carry a Klein Tools cheap, luminance meter. It's not the most accurate, but it does get the job done. All I need it for is a reference to check between your screens. And this is like 50, 60 bucks. So if it breaks, it's not that big of a deal. It's good to throw around a show site. Got my disto. Bosch seems to be the most common one laying around. This is the Lifeline, my level. Nothing fancy, but it's a nice sturdy level with magnets for keeping it in the lift. This guy's also been left on top of every projector everywhere. The big boy, this is the laser crosshair, self-leveling for reference on blended projection, especially the curved screens. That's a lifesaver. No tripod. I tend to have to find ways to rig that to actually use it properly. And then, of course, the multimeter, voltmeter. So this is my voltmeter. Also has the clamp meter, so I can test my distros, get voltage. Very important. Power's underrated. Always check your power, guys. And that's it. It's all in this small little shoe golf bag I got from Evolve one point in time. I would love to carry more, but I'm not a road tech anymore. So I carry just the necessities to get me through on show site.